Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to set up Google Family Link. So guys, setting up Google Family Link allows you to manage and monitor your child's digital activities across various devices. So firstly, open the Google app and search for Google Family Link in your search bar. So after that, tap on the first option available there. Open the Family Link app on your iPhone. Then all you have to do is sign into your Google account or create one if you don't have one already. So sign into your Google account. After you sign in, follow the prompts to specify whether you are setting up a parent account or a child account. So they are gonna ask you, does your child have a Google account? Simply tap on the no option available there. Now agree to terms and condition and continue with the process. So after you continue, Google will ask you to set up your child's name and account. Type down your child's first name and last name. And again continue with the process. After you do that, and here you'll have to, after that you'll have to set up the birthday month for your child's account. Write down their birthday, and after you do that, continue for further process. Now go for the child's email account. You will need to enter their Google account email address if they don't have any already. Now type down their password. Now scroll down, review and agree to the terms and condition presented by the Google Family Link, and again continue with the process. After this, you'll have to verify your parent account. Google may ask you to verify that you are the parent or guardian of the child. This might involve entering your Gmail account and password. So that is it. After you enter it, you can start monitoring. So by following these tips, you'll be able to set up Google Family Link on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.